Alright, what's up guys? I'm demonstrating a hip adductor and abductor movement. I'm using the pre-core, so we're working the inner and the outer thighs. So this is a dual machine, so I can do both on the same machine. So I'm going to start with hip abduction first. Abduction means that we're abducting away from the midline of the body, we're coming away. Adduction means the reverse, we're adding towards the midline of the body, so that's how you can tell the difference between the two. So then you're going to come out as far as you can comfortably go. Control the eccentric or the negative portion as we come back in. Now I'm going to demonstrate it with my feet extended. Notice how I'm sitting upright, nice and tall. Now, I'm going to come out here. I'm going to pull up on this knob. I'm going to bring it out as far as I can comfortably go. Feet are on the down, the lower peg. I'm going to bring it straight in. Hold it for like a second or two. Control the negative or the eccentric as we come back out. This is hitting the inner thighs.